गुड मॉर्निंग स्टूडेंट, माय नेम इज हरप्रीत सिंह। आई एम लेक्चरर ऑफ मैकेनिकल इंजीनियरिंग डिपार्टमेंट। साढ़े सब्जेक्ट चल रहे हैं टॉम थ्योरी ऑफ मशीन। आज आप रिपीट करेंगे लिमिटिंग फोर्स ऑफ फ्रिक्शन। दिस मैक्सिमम वैल्यू ऑफ फ्रिक्शन फोर्स which come into play when a body just began to slide over the surface of the other body is known as limiting force of friction or simply limiting friction. Law of static friction. Following are the law of static friction. Number one, the force of friction always act in direction opposite to that in which the body tend to move. ਜਿਹੜੀ ਫੋਰਸ ਆਫ ਫ੍ਰਿਕਸ਼ਨ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਆ ਆਲਵੇਸ ਐਕਟ ਕਰਦੀ ਆ ਡਾਇਰੈਕਸ਼ਨ ਵਿੱਚ ਓਪੋਜ਼ਿਟ, ਜਿੱਥੇ ਆਪ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਸਾਈਡ ਵਿੱਚ ਚੱਲਦੇ ਉਹਦੇ ਓਪੋਜ਼ਿਟ ਰਿਐਕਟ ਕਰਦੀ ਆ, ਠੀਕ ਹੈ। ਵਿਚ ਦ ਬੋਡੀ ਟੈਂਡ ਟੂ ਮੂਵ, ਜਿਹੜੀ ਬੋਡੀ ਮੂਵ ਕਰਦੀ ਆ ਉਹਦੇ ਓਪੋਜ਼ਿਟ ਕਰਦੀ ਆ। ਦ ਮੈਗਨੀਟਿਊਡ of the force of friction is exactly equal to the force which tend the body to move. Next, the magnitude of the limiting force F bears a constant ratio to the normal reaction Rn between the two surfaces. Mathematically, F upon Rn is equal to constant. Next, the force of friction is independent of the area of contact between the two surface. The force of friction depend upon the roughness of the surface. ਜਿਹੜੀ force of friction ਆ ਉਹ roughness ਕਿੱਦਾਂ ਦੀ, ਜਿਹੜੀ ਸਾਡੀ surface ਆ ਉਹ ਕਿੱਦਾਂ ਦੀ ਆ, normal flat ਆ ਜਾਂ ਉਹਦੇ ਉੱਪਰ rough ਆ, ਠੀਕ ਹੈ, ਉਹ 'ਤੇ depend ਕਰਦੀ ਹੈ। Law of kinetic and dynamic friction. Following are the law of kinetic or dynamic friction. The force of friction always act in the direction opposite to that in which the body is moving. The magnitude of the kinetic friction bear a constant ratio to the normal reaction between the two surfaces, but this ratio is slightly less than that in case of limiting friction. For moderate speed, the force of friction remains constant, but it decreases slightly with the increase of speed. Law of solid friction. Following are the law of solid friction. The force of friction is directly proportional to the normal load between the surface. The force of friction is independent of the area of the contact surface for a given normal load. The force of friction depend upon the material of which the contact surface are made. ਜਿਹੜਾ force of friction ਹੈ ਕਿੱਥੇ ਡਿਪੈਂਡ ਕਰਦਾ, ਮਟੀਰੀਅਲ ਦੇ ਉੱਪਰ, ਠੀਕ ਹੈ, ਕਿੱਦਾਂ ਦਾ ਮਟੀਰੀਅਲ ਹੈ ਉਹਦੇ ਹਿਸਾਬ ਨਾਲ ਉਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਫ੍ਰਿਕਸ਼ਨ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਹੈ। The force of friction is independent of the velocity of sliding of one body relative to the other body. Law of fluid friction. Following are the law of fluid friction. Number one, the force of friction is almost independent of the load. Next, the force of friction reduce the increase of the temperature of the lubricant. ਜਿਹੜਾ ਕੀ ਹੁੰਦਾ, force of friction ਕੀ ਹੈ, reduce ਕਰਦਾ ਹੈ, reduce ਹੁੰਦੀ ਹੈ with the increase of the temperature of the lubricant. The force of friction is independent of the substance of the bearing surface. The force of friction is different for different lubricants. Force of friction different ਹੁੰਦੀ ਹੈ different lubricant ਵਾਸਤੇ। ਅੱਗੇ coefficient of friction. Coefficient of friction ਕੀ ਹੁੰਦਾ, it is the defined as the ratio of the limiting for friction F to the normal reaction Rn between the two bodies. ਦੋ ਬੋਡੀਆਂ ਦਾ ਇੱਕ limiting friction ਹੁੰਦਾ ਹੈ, ratio ਹੁੰਦੀ ਹੈ to the normal reaction. It is generally denoted by mu. Mathematically, coefficient of friction is denoted by mu is equal to F is upon Rn. F is limiting for friction and Rn is a normal reaction. Okay, thank you.